The 5 new effects include Crystal Royal Blue Delight, Royal Red Delight, Orange Glow Delight, Silky Sage Delight, and Lotus Pink Delight. Each is designed to harmonize with existing colors and effects. Notice the highlighted facets showcasing a depth and clarity that intensifies the sparkle. Suitable for jewelry, watches, apparel, and accessories. An exciting addition to the Crystal Electric Lacquer Pro family, Crystal Electric Violet, features the same shock of brilliant color that characterizes the rest of the palette. This neon brightness is achieved using a lacquer that includes UV pigments that make it glow under light, especially black light. The Electric family is particularly suitable for dance sport, athleisure, and trend-driven apparel, with the eye-catching new Crystal Electric Violet especially relevant to the nail art sector. The new Autumn Crystal Mulberry Pink Pearl and Crystal Elderberry Pearl coatings capture nature's most sumptuous and enigmatic colors. They look amazing when mixed and matched with the new Delight effects or with iridescent Tahitian-looked pearl, powder rose pearl, pearlescent white, and metallic gray effects. Its 2 glamorous, slimline newcomers are Fantasy Cushion and Fantasy Hexagon, available with a standard setting unplated as well as with gold or rhodium plating. There's also a glue-in setting in gold and rhodium plating with a closed faceted reverse side, a ring on top and rings on both sides. Use them for premium classic looks and DIY designs where easy application is essential. Elongated Imperial Fancy Stone reconstructs the past with a modern sensibility. Based on the Imperial shape, it retains proportions that fit well with its classic sister cut, but its longer silhouette works for contemporary designs. It's ideal for highlighting accessories, jewelry, and DIY designs. The family includes Mini Heart, Mini Pear, and Mini Oval. Not only do they offer endless expressive potential for eyewear, watches, jewelry, and accessories, their tiny size makes them particularly suitable for eye-popping nail art and beauty applications. The new Crystal Rice Pearl 4mm shape is a stunning response to the desire for a more natural aesthetic. Not only are rice pearls ideal for jewelry and accessories, they make exquisite adornments for all types of garments, particularly delicate embroidery in formal and wedding attire. The new Cabochon Pave blends perfectly with the trend for tactile effects. Flatter and more lightweight than a pave ball, Cabochon Pave has an eye-catching 3D look. The streamlined silhouette means that it can easily be glued to a variety of surfaces, making it suitable for use in jewelry, accessories, and apparel. Indeed, its simple-to-apply versatility works brilliantly for DIY projects, for making buttons in the textile industry, and also for creating jewelry centerpieces. The radiant new heart-cut pendant is a classic gemstone-inspired crystal with a multi-layered cut featuring 50 sparkling facets. It has an unfoiled, flat side and an optimal table size with a smooth-edged hole, making it lightweight and enabling an elegant, fine jewelry look without the use of a setting. Lead the way in unusual layering and romantic, sensuous materials by using them to create fascinating bespoke patterns on delicate textiles for apparel and accessories. No hotfix in the smaller sizes are brilliantly suited to create standout nail art designs. Alternatively, play with symmetry and asymmetry, yin and yang, to create a beautifully fluid organic look. Classically elegant silhouettes are key, such as the striking new cushion flatback hotfix and no hotfix. Offering the kind of easy-to-use, lightweight, and versatile dazzle demanded by the dance sport industry, they are also ideally suited for opulent embellishments for women's wear, shoes, accessories, and nails. Its three-holed elongated geometric silhouette makes seamless patterning easy. Team it with the existing triangle family and any other triangular shape. Meanwhile, the new larger size, which is unavailable anywhere else, leads the way in standout statements. Try it in on-trend tactility designs for dance sport, footwear, accessories, and apparel. The foil overlay makes it possible to sew motifs in between two materials. For example, without needing to apply it to another carrier material first. This opens up the opportunity to use synthetic products in combination with difficult fabrics, such as leather or water-repellent materials. Synthetics Foil Overlay offers a way to introduce exciting high-impact motifs into apparel, accessories, watches, footwear, and dance sport.